In Nigeria, cooking accounts for 91% of total domestic energy consumption, with wood being the most used fuel. However, recent studies have shown that exposure to wood smoke can lead to respiratory problems, cardiovascular diseases, and even cancer. Additionally, soot from incomplete wood burning contributes to black carbon emissions, exacerbating global warming. To address these issues, students from Government Day Secondary School in Afikpo, Nigeria, observed the constant struggle of their school kitchen relying on firewood.
My name is Ukuma.
My name is Onwedominion Naneme. The project is about installation of biogas.
Talking about the biogas installation, that is the biogas plant and the rest of them.
It's a system which produces gas, also known as methane gas. That is gas gotten from biological waste like animal dung, like cow dung, goat dung, but cow dung is more preferable.
In response, they constructed a 1,000-litre biogas plant to provide a sustainable alternative. This biogas plant converts 100 kilograms of organic waste into cooking gas, with an estimated capacity to produce 1 kilogram of cooking gas daily.
And I think it will help us economically in the society, in the sense that the production of gases, you can see that the liquefied natural gas, they are very much expensive, and with the help of this biogas installation, the cost of things will tend to reduce, starting from the gases, that is the cooking gases that we're using. It will make life affordable and it will make life easy.
This innovative solution not only reduces reliance on firewood, mitigating the associated health risks and environmental impact, but also highlights the potential of biogas technology to transform organic waste into valuable energy resources.
Biogas, achieving wealth from waste.